Hello my beautiful people, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl here, Genevieve. For those new subscribers, I am from Kenya, East Africa, Kenya in particular. I reside in Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. I do vlogs, just teaching you. I'm a teacher by profession. I just put anything. Now you have become my second family. So I just share anything I come across. Today I want to show you, I was cooking chapati and I thought it wise to share with you people. So be my guests. For chapati, you just need unga, flour. I like eggs on purpose, I'm not advertising. And I only put salt. Then you need cooking oil. And for you to have soft chapatis, you have to have water. It should boil. Look at it. Yes, the water should boil. That is the water I need. It's now ready. So I shall start. Yeah, these chapatis are meant for dinner. So I shall start my chapatis. After I put my flour, I need salt. Don't put too much, but you put according to your taste. If you like much, well and good. But too much of something is poisonous. So don't put so much. Okay. After I have mixed the flour with oil, I had already washed my hands, but I didn't show you. You put oil. Yeah. For chapatis to come out so soft, you also need a good amount of oil anyway. Not too much, because it also depends on what you are going to use as the stew. If you are going to use beef or meat, any type of meat, you don't need much of the oil, because it will make you feel bad by eating. Now chapati has a lot of oil. Maybe the chicken also has a lot of oil. Well, you'll not feel so nice while eating it. So we are going to eat this with cereals. That's what we do like. Okay. Now, because our water is too hot, you can't touch with the hands. It's very, very hot. So I shall use this cooking stick to help me, because the water is just too hot. Remember, it boiled. So you can't use your bare hands, you will burn. You'll use this for some time. Then you can use your bare hands. Yeah, you keep on adding water according till the flour is in good. You get a good duff for the chapati. Remember, we are making soft chapatis. They'll come out so soft, so soft. You'll not believe what you have been missing out. They'll come out so soft and maybe layered. If you love those lovers, but I think, what do you like? Do you like the layered chapatis or the soft ones? It will have some layers also, but for the softness, I guarantee you, it must come out so soft. It will be so soft. So soft. Just use hot water, the hot water. Yeah, now it can be touched. It's not now that very bad. And please, while you are cooking, ensure some hygiene. Yeah. Just make sure your cooking area is so clean and tidy. to make you also feel comfortable being around there. And also if somebody comes to eat the food, feels good. And please, if you have not subscribed, don't miss. Click that subscription button and put the thumbs up, like the video. If you have learned something, please like the video. Don't just ignore it. Like the video. As you can see, just cut it itself. Yeah. The chapatis will come out very soft. Very, very. I can say that. What adjective can I use to define how soft these chapatis will be? But remember to knead so well to ensure that there is no air spaces left in the duff. And I assure you, my people, you will not miss to enjoy this meal of ours today. The chapatis are going to be very, very, very soft. You can add water if you want to. You can add some little water. But if you are not an expert, please don't put so much water. It will give you problems while making it. Let the dough not be so soft. It will give you problems while rolling. So just put water enough, not so much. Because if you put a lot, hey my friend, if you wanted to cook 10 chapatis, you will end up cooking that, which will be a waste. Because you know, for something to be sweet, you just need to cook a little. I'm through with my kneading. Just as simple as that. So I'm adding some little oil just to avoid the sticking of the flour on the surface. Yeah. But otherwise, I'm done. I'm done. Let's do it again so that it can mix well with the oil and the water I just added. Please again, don't miss to click that subscription button and put your thumbs up. Like the video for YouTube to be satisfied with Teacher Genevieve. Yeah. Yes. If really you have enjoyed or learned something, put thumbs up. Put thumbs up. Yes. Like the video. Sorry. Yes, you can see it's very soft now. Yeah, it's very, very soft, very soft. It's very soft. Yes, sit, my cameraman. You can sit down. Now, we want to cover it. I'll cover it with this cling film for it to. I leave for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's good now to start cooking. scissors. Yeah, cover it. Can use also a towel. It will just be very, very soft. It will continue softening. As it continues, let me clear this surface and make it the best place to be. Yeah, let's wait for 15 minutes, then we come back. Okay, my people, we shall continue. 15 minutes are over. So we want to prepare the small pieces that will end up to be chapatis. Okay, this is our dough. So you can see it's ready. It's ready to go. If you leave it to stay for so long, it will turn into donuts. It will turn into donuts. So that's why we just leave it for 15 minutes. Those ones are enough. Those are enough minutes. Those are enough minutes for the flour. Let me get my rolling pin. Yeah, this is now what we do. This is what we do. You roll. This one is not like mandazi that you have to roll maybe so thin, so thick. No. This has no formula. You just do it as you wish. But I think not so thick. Not so thick. Welcome, welcome again wherever you are. Thank you all for my new subscribers and all those who continue supporting me by watching, sharing the videos. Welcome. So you see I have finished rolling the whole dough. So I'm spreading the oil evenly to the dough. After you have spread the whole oil on the dough, now you can take a fork, like this one of mine, and do this. Yes, so that the oil can get into the dough, the whole dough well. Yes, my people, this is what we are going to do. And the chapatis now will come out so soft and layered. Yeah, this again has no formula, just do it anyhow, as long as the oil reaches the inside of the dough. Just do it in any manner that you can use anything, any rough, something rough at least to make this. Yeah. Oh, no. Hope you can see my people what I'm doing. Yes. Again, I'm done. Then you can use a knife to cut, but even this can just do. Yeah, even this can do. After you have done that, you do that. You fold it into now small balls. This one is too small. That can't be. Yeah, I didn't put enough oil. That's why you can see it being a bother to me here. It's sticky. I didn't put enough flour on the surface. If you don't put enough flour, that's what happens now. Yeah, you put such. this size. And again, you can put this here, the flour. If you don't put enough flour, this is what you get. Till disturb you when you are removing. Remember, the duff is too soft. Yes. Yeah, such size. We don't like so fat, so big. They are a bit. So I think I'll get a knife. A knife does it better. Just cut them so that you can make balls. Yes, you can now make balls. Okay, my people, as you can see, I have finished preparing the balls. So we cover them. We cover the balls, the chapati rolls, so that they cannot be dried up. Then now, I have already put my pan here on my gas. So I want to start making the chapatis. And here is where I'll put the chapatis after I have made it. So I like putting some serviette on the surface so that it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell. I've made the chapatis and put them there for them to continue being soft and softer. So I'm making my roll, my first roll. Just like that, you put some flour. You remember, when you don't put enough, it will stick because the dough is very soft. Yeah, if you don't put enough, it will stick on the surface. So let's do it. Let's learn together. You know, practice also makes perfect. As you continue making, you become more and more perfect. Nobody was born while he or she knows to do anything. So we just learn. And learning, as I always say, is a continuous process. The pan, I know, is already heated. Not very, but it's heated. Yeah. As it continues, the first one, I roll the second one. Yeah, again, put enough flour. Yeah. Remember, don't overpress. If you press with all your energy, hey, the layers will be affected. So you just push gently. Push gently, as gentle as you can. Remember, the dough is very soft, so it won't give you problems. Just push gentle. Others may not come out so round, but remember, while we are serving, we shall cut them. Nobody will even know if they are shapeless. Yeah. Don't mind the shape. What should be looked here is what you are going to get out of it. Yeah, let's wait for it to start raising up. Yeah. And my people, please don't forget to click that subscription button. Put your thumbs up, like the video. Share the video with other friends and relatives so that you can support me. My desire is to reach 1,000 subscribers and also attain the watch hours we need. That's why I'm really insisting that watch the video to the end. And I think I'm not putting so long videos so that maybe you cannot be bored on the way. Watch the video to the end to support me here. Don't get tired. Don't get tired of supporting me. Please Please continue watching the videos. Watch this one. Watch others that I've posted. I've posted so many videos. Watch all of them. That's how you will support me, and that's how I will grow. Yeah, it's not yet. The first one, of course, normally takes a bit a longer time because the pan, you know, it wasn't that hot. It wasn't that hot. But as we continue, you'll find out that they will be doing very fast now. Yes. Hey, you know I'm using a hand. Hey, it's hot, but now, what do you do? What do you do? Yes, my people, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Watch the video to the end as I continue entertaining you, showing you as we continue learning together. Chapati has never been easy for so many people. I was also never born knowing how to cook chapatis. I just continue learning as days goes by. At first, I used to cook very bad ones, that they were very hard. But now, they are the best. They are very soft. Yeah. Once we are done that way, you see now it's ready. You apply oil on top, not so much. Remember, you needed the flour with the oil. So if you put so much, then it will be too much now, my people. Don't put too much oil, just enough to make it cook so well. Yeah, press as much as you can so that the chapati can cook well. Then now, also turn and also do the same to the other side. Do the same. Yes. You do the same to the other side. Then now keep on. Make sure all the edges also are cooked well. Yes, when the chapati comes out, you avoid that. The edges should be cooked well. You know, some people that only eat at the center and they throw the sides because they think it's not cooked. Yeah, make sure the edges are cooked well so that anybody eating can enjoy what you have cooked. Yes, remember while cooking, you put your viewers and the people that are going to eat in mind. So put everybody's desire in mind. Yeah, as you can see. As I've told you, the first one will always not come out so well, but it has tried. It has done its best. Yeah, you can put now this to help you now press it so hard so that it can cook well. Then I like using my spoon here to check on the edges. The edges should be well cooked. Yes. And remember, in chapati, the most important part is what we did at first, the first stage. If you want them to be soft, just consider the first stage. How to bake, how to use the hot water, as you can see. Move closer, as you can see. It's well cooked. Now I can't remove it till this other one touches, it becomes hot. Then now this other one can come out well. But for now, let it be that way. Yes, my people, I wish you are here to enjoy the meal with me. But I know one day, yeah, now we can see this is ready. It's ready. Put it here on the plate. I'll put it later because I still need it to help me here. Yes, for the oil you just put a little, don't put so much, then spread so that all the parts can touch the oil. Then when they go to the pan now, they don't burn. And as you do this, you continue preparing the third, the fourth, till the end. Yes. Again, don't forget to do that. It's a very important stage. As you can see, my chapatis are continuing to cook so well. Yes, they're doing so well, so well. Make sure the edges get cooked well to avoid people throwing them away as they are not cooked. Oh, that is wasted. Yeah. Make sure the edges are cooked so well. Remember, you, my viewers, yes, make sure that when you get out of this class of Madam Genevieve, you are the best student. Yes. Make sure that at the end, because my objective was that my viewer will get every point. So, don't let me down, please. Watch everything so that you can be the best and outshine even the teacher. Be the best and outshine the teacher. Okay. Okay, we are getting there. We are almost there. I just wanted to make at least 2 and show you what conspires here. Our chapatis are well cooked. So now you can see how appetizing they are. You can see how soft. So as you continue keeping them there, they become so soft. They are very soft, and you see, they are layered too. Very soft and layered. You see? You can see this. Yes, these are my chapatis. Remember not to forget to subscribe. Subscribe, watch the video to the end, and put your thumbs up. Like the video. Put also a sweet comment. Thank you for your continued support. Be blessed. Blessings to all. And I wish I were here with you to enjoy the good meal. Be blessed. Good evening wherever you are. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good night. Depends where you are. Right here in our country, Kenya, it's nearing night because it's around 6, almost 7. People are preparing now dinner. Others are coming out of work right now. So I thank you all for your support. Don't be tired of supporting your girl here. Remember, always keep, while you watch the video, don't skip that dial. Watch to the end. Always put your thumbs up and put a sweet comment. I love you all. Thank you for your support. Be blessed. Bye. Till let's meet again in our next video. Bye.